All right. Hey, we have an opportunity to show you how to set up a student account on positivephysics.org. So I know most of you have your account set up, and if you're already using your account, if you have a problem with your password or any kind of login information, please do not create another account. It's just easier if you just send me an email, let me know you need to reset your password. I can do that. Okay, so here's the deal. Let me see if I can share my screen. I can show you how to do this. So hang on. Screen share. There it is. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go into this positivephysics.org, and then up here in the upper right-hand corner it says Create Account. So we're going to create an account, create, and then you're going to say, I'm a student, learner, and click there, and then you are, yes, my teacher uses this site, and click there, and the class code for all of our chemistry and physics classes is BD, as in Brooks de Bartolo, Chem, and Physics, all uppercase, all capital letters, BD, Chem, Physics, and then validate class code. Boom, successfully validated, done. And then your username is last name, capital, L-E-N, and then first name. Okay, so last name, first name, all one word, but capital letters for last name, capital letter for first name. Then you create whatever password you want here. So okay, any password you want, and then the section you are in is the block. So whatever block you're in, if you're in block 5, then you're going to pick 5. If you're in block 7, you're going to pick 7. If you're in block 2, you get the idea. So whatever block you're in, that's the class period, and then you're going to sign up. Boom, and I already did a demo with the same thing. So that's it. That's how you do it, and then once you get in, you'll be able to tell if you have an assignment or not. Let me see if I can do let me see if I can log in. Okay, and so this is what the student side looks like. If I'm in chemistry, I'm going to switch this to chemistry. If I'm in physics, I'm going to switch it to physics. But that's what you're going to check. Chemistry, and then unit 101 density is the one we're on, and then the mode is work. And in some cases, you may have to go to extra practice or assessment. So if there's a test, you're going to go to assessment. And so it says this particular assessment is locked for the block that I'm in. So then you go through, if it's not, let me see if I can pick one. Well, because I'm a student login, so it's not going to let me. So let me go to physics and see if I can. Assessment for physics is also locked, but this is where you would access the assessment if it were not. So if you're in your chemistry class, unit 101 density, let me see if 102 is open. Nope, all the assessments are going to be locked. But if you're in work mode, then it'll show you here's the work and the items that you can work on. So vocabulary and concepts, and there's 7 of them, and there's 8 of these, and 14, and 11, and 10, and 10. So each of these sections has a different assignment. So we'll look at discovery of atoms. And so you'll notice when you open that, the discovery of atoms has a lesson video right at the beginning. So there's a reference page, references for this looks like a periodic table. Very nice. Conversion factors, density and pressure. Okay, so periodic table. Then your lesson will be the video, and you can click play on the video and watch that, and then you can get started on the assignment. Which scientist discovered electrons? And so here's all your choices. So it wasn't Democritus. He didn't think there were electrons. So let's pick Dalton and see what happens. So we're going to check our answer. Boom, it's red. That means it was wrong. So I'll try another answer. How about Thomson? Thomson, maybe. Yay, now it turns green. So then you're ready to go on to the next one. So notice the shade of this is dark green. That means who discovered the nucleus? Well, that was, let's say Dalton. And answer, nope. And how about Rutherford? Yeah, so boom, turns green again. So in the gold foil experiment, what particles were launched at the foil and bounced off the nuclei? So electrons, photons, alpha particles, or silver atoms? Pick alpha particles. Boom, turns green, yay. So now you get to see, if you got it right the first time, it's this light shade of green. If you missed it but then got it right, it's this dark shade of green. If you just skip it and go to the next one, it stays empty, like unattempted. And if you miss it and leave it missed, it will stay this shade of tan. So you can tell by what's going on up here, these first two I missed first and then got them right, and this one I got right the first try. So that's that. If you have any questions, there's going to be a due date given on the side. Sometimes I'll assign parts of these sections and not all of these sections, so there'll be due dates lined up over here for the ones that you do have a due date on. Okay? So that is that. Hopefully this will help you get started on positivephysics.org. Thanks.